Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, October 18th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Had another great day today. This is just great to be trading and not have this shadow of a government closure hanging over us. And I know, my opinion is this market is very strong, and we're going to see some real positive movement that should be starting anytime. And the market wasn't quite as buoyant as I would have liked it to be today, but it certainly was a positive market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average started out negative, and then just like yesterday, it went positive. It ended up closing up 28 points, nothing spectacular, but as it oftentimes happens when we have good positions, and we had real good positions coming in today, they get a lot better almost regardless of what happens with the Dow, and that happened today. We ended up closing out almost $10,000 in closed out trades, which is really good, but the best news is we're carrying over $16,000 over the weekend into Monday, so we hope those positions will stay at least that profitable, but I think they'll even get better because we're looking for a big move in the overall market, and we haven't really had it yet. So this could happen anytime, and if we, for example, went into Monday and the market really took off, we're going to make a lot of hay, and we made a lot of hay today. We have had back-to-back really good trading days. I love this market environment, and the market really felt good to me today. We had just one disappointment, but it was kind of a minor one. We had a position in Clovis Oncology, and that was at one point up over $4,000 today, and by the time we got out of it, we only had a few $100s. But that was really the only bad thing that happened today, and we had a lot of really good trades. Everything looked good. So anyway, let's take a look at those charts. Okay, we got the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see here kind of what happened yesterday. Of course, we had this big downside move right at the beginning, but of course it built up and ended up closing pretty close to positive. Today started out like it was going to do the same thing today, but the sell-off right on at the beginning wasn't nearly as deep, and it kind of paddled around here a little and then started to show a little strength. And as I say, it wasn't a great rally, but we still ended up closing up 28 points on the Dow. Nothing at all threatening here to be of concern at all, which is about what I would have expected. Got a couple interesting trades here to show. I keep showing you CPE, which is Callon Petroleum, and but it's just this has been just fabulous for us recently. Back on Monday, this is Tuesday, we bought CPE for the first time, and then we had a good move on Wednesday. We kept it for a third day, got out almost at the top yesterday. I thought that was the end of it. If I had only known, I would have stayed in this market. But of course, we trade a system, and what happened is we bought this thing today on another big gap up, kind of a scary place to buy, but this thing just kept screaming, and we're holding over $5,000 now in CPE, and I think we made around $4,000 back here. So this market has just been fabulous, and it is certainly really trending right now. I'll show you another one related to the oil industry, and that is PKD, which is Parker Drilling. And again, we got last week we got a nice move here in Parker Drilling. I think that was worth pretty close to $5,000. But anyway, yesterday we jumped into this trade, first hour of the day, and then it went flat on us. Not too much happened, but today this thing just screamed. Look at this. It just took off, and we are holding over $5,000 in open trade on Parker Drilling. So let's hope that holds over the weekend and we get a good open on it on Monday. Anyway, great week. Good. Last 2 days have been fabulous. This is Trader Bob signing off. You have a great weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday.